Have you ever touched your washing machine, fridge, or microwave and suddenly felt a small electric shock? Most people ignore it. Some think it's normal. But the truth is, this small shock can be a serious warning sign. In this video, I will show you why appliances give electric shocks, what is happening inside the wiring, and most importantly, easy and safe fixes you can apply at home. Electrical shocks from appliances are very common in homes, especially in older wiring systems. The good news is, most of these problems are easy to fix if you understand the real reason. This video is for beginners, homeowners, and anyone who wants to stay safe around electricity. Let's understand the basic reason first. An electrical shock happens when electric current finds a path through your body to the ground. Normally, appliances are designed to be safe, but when something goes wrong inside, electricity leaks to the metal body. The most common reasons are poor earthing, damaged internal insulation, moisture inside the appliance, old or faulty wiring. Even a small leakage current can cause a noticeable shock. This is the #1 reason for appliance shocks. Earthing, or grounding, gives electricity a safe path to the ground. If earthing is missing or weak, electricity uses your body instead. Appliances with metal bodies like refrigerators, washing machines, water heaters are especially dangerous without proper earthing. If you feel shock when standing barefoot on the floor, it is a clear sign of earthing failure. Water and electricity are a dangerous combination. Moisture inside an appliance can damage insulation, create leakage paths, increase shock intensity. Bathrooms, kitchens, and laundry areas are higher risk zones. If your appliance shocks you more during humid weather, moisture is likely the cause. Inside every appliance, wires are covered with insulation. Over time, heat and vibration damage this insulation. When bare wire touches the metal body, current leaks, the body becomes live, you feel a shock. This problem is very common in old irons, electric kettles, fans, heaters. Now let's talk about simple and safe solutions. First, always switch off the main power before checking anything. Fix 1. Check earthing. Make sure your socket has a proper earth connection. If unsure, call a qualified electrician. Fix 2. Use a residual current device, RCD. An RCD cuts power instantly if leakage is detected. It can save lives. Fix 3. Keep appliances dry. Never operate appliances with wet hands. Fix water leaks immediately. Fix 4. Replace old cables. If the cable looks cracked or stiff, replace it. Never ignore small shocks. Never remove earth pins from plugs. Never use appliances with damaged cables. Never assume it's just a small shock, because accidents don't give warnings twice. Electrical safety starts with awareness. If this video helped you understand household electrical shocks, give it a like and share it with others. Subscribe to Easy Solutions for more real-world electrical and repair knowledge. Stay safe and respect electricity.